All right, guys, let's look at the PX network. So as everything they are building and developing towards a listing, they are also upgrading and doing a lot of things. So in this video, we are quickly going to be looking at the KYC and how you can go about it. I've already made some videos how you can, because it is in stages. The KYC is in stages. We have done step 1 and step 2. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do your step 3. So I'll be guiding you like that till we finish the KYC process, because it is a bit this project is giving out KYC that is a bit different from what we have always known in some projects. So now, before we go into that, if you are new into this project, or if you have not yet started, or if this is the first time you are hearing about this project, the link will be in the comment section and also in the description section. All you need to do is go and click on it and then download the app and then start participating immediately. It's a project that I believe that it is actually also going to cook for the community. Now, coming to the project, you need to head over to this announcement page right here, and then you can see that they just made a post right here about 28 minutes ago, and this is what they said: app updates and profile verification started. The latest app update is now available, and profile verification KYC step 3 has started. So that is we are like I said, that is the step we are going to be doing in this video. So please update your app. That is the first thing you should do. Then go to the profile section and complete verification. Verify your email using OTP. Update username and email if needed. That one is optional. Profile verification is being rolled out country-wise. So if you don't see it yet, don't worry, it will be available soon. Stay active, keep mining, complete your KYC on time. It is always important that once the KYC has started, you should do your own KYC as soon as possible to avoid any stories that touches the heart. So first things first is to head over to the Google Play Store, and then you can see this is the PX network. Search for it, then you are going to see update. So click on that update, and then the purpose of updating is to make sure that we are on the latest version, and so that we can also have those features like they said in that announcement. Once you update it, you are going to see open, so you click on it. So it is going to take us to the app. So once it takes you to the app, they say we should come over here and then locate that is the profile page. So they say we should locate profile, or you can come over to KYC. All should be the same. So you can see this one now. It was locked before, just like this one. Now there was a lock here, but you look at it, they have removed the lock. So this is the steps 3. I've done completed step 1, step 2 and step 3. For you to complete this one, you need 3 referrals. For you to complete this one, you need a mining streak of 5 days to be able to complete this one. Once you have completed this one will unlock. Once you have completed this one will unlock, just like it has done now. So as we have done this one, the next one to unlock will be this one. So let's go ahead, click on it, and then you are going to come over to this page. Now first of all, you're going to choose, you can see your username. You can also edit it. You can edit your username. So I'm going to edit it. You can see the token trackers. So that is the username. So now let's go to the country. Which country is it? So you can go ahead and select your own country. Make sure that you select your own country. So beautiful country. Once you have selected it, you are going to have your email. You can change your email, but don't change. I'm not changing it. So you can come here and click on update profile. So you click on it and you wait. Please verify email selection. So now this is it. What you need to do now is click on change email. So you can see, once you click on change email, you can see that identity of the email has been verified, right? So they want me to enter a second email address, and I'm going to enter it right here. So what you need to do is just go ahead and enter your email, and then go ahead and click on request verification. So now you can see OTP sent successfully. So an OTP has been sent to that email. So I will just look for the OTP once they have sent it to my email. So I will now come and paste it right here, and then click on verify, as you can see right here. So guys, I've been requesting for the OTP code and they are not giving me yet, but once they have given you the code, you just come and paste it here and then click on update profile, and that is how you have passed that stage like that. So you have gotten that step, and that is how you can complete it. So I just thought of briefing the community so that you know and then do it in time. And for those of you who have not yet started, the link will be in the comment section and also in the description section of this video. So all you need to do is go and click and then start participating immediately. So that will be all for now. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.